So a truck driver comes up to this truck stop, and as he got out, started walking, he found a magic lamp. He rubbed that lamp, and all of a sudden a genie popped up. Poof! And said, "Hey, master, thank you for releasing me from the lamp. I will give you a wish, anything you want." And he goes, "Well," he said, "can you make me a toll road all the way from New York, all the way down from Miami? That's my personal tollway where I have no traffic." And the genie said, "Well, that's a lot of regulations, a lot of things. Is there anything else you might want?" And he goes, "Could you make my wife quit nagging me?" The genie goes, "How many lanes do you want that tollway?"